Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, it's Marissa again, Kiwi Lane Club Kit again, and this time for the month of May. So let me open this kit and let's see what is in it, and then we will create a layout with it. And woohoo, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, I love this color. I love this colors. Oh my gosh. Guys, look. My tribe. Oh my goodness, guys. I am so loving this. I told you guys, better subscribe to the club kit. It is so awesome. Every month they're coming out with awesome, oh my goodness, kits. I am loving the colors of this kit. I love this. Hold on, guys. You know, it's like when I'm excited, they don't come out as fast as I would like them to. Let's go through our kit, starting with the cards as usual. This is the 3x4 cards. So we have this. Oh, I like that. Oh, I love that. Ain't no hood like motherhood. 4x4s, guys. I thought it says I'm man. I'm like, what? Yeah, right, because I can't read. Okay, and these are the a la carte. We have a cute feather here. This is the a la carte tickled. And then we have this one. This is the a la carte She Loves Me. And then this itty bitty one, this is the a la carte Forget Me Not. That is so cute, but oh my goodness. I'm gonna put them back here because they're too small and I might lose them. And then we have some stickers here.
You see them? Can you see them?
Oh my guys, look at that. It's a bigger one. This is the a la carte feather. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? I'm not going to take it out of the plastic bag. It's going to be a heck to put back in. Those are the embellishments. Let me go through the papers, my favorite part. Okay guys, let me start with this feathered paper. How cute. OMG, I'm loving these colors.
You have this.
So this looks like the background papers. There's two of this.
And so that.
Okay guys, let me think of a layout to do with this and I will be right back. I am going to work on this two pictures, and as I've mentioned, we are going to use the May Club Kit. These are the templates that we're going to use. It's going to be quite a bit. I am actually using or hoping to use Clary Lane 3A and 3B. We are also going to use the May a la carte feather with the Hallmark a la carte and also the vintage a la carte. I want to use this, so I'm going to see what I can use off of these stickers. I'm going to use this card, I Love My Tribe. On the papers, we are actually going to be using 5 of the kit's papers. We have this one. We are also using this one, and I'm also going to use the one on the back. Most of these papers I'm going to use are layering. And then, of course, this will be our base. So I'm planning to cut this paper down to 10 by 8. And then from the bottom, so this is a 10 by 8. Gonna cut this down to 3 by 10 maybe. I'll cut it. 3 by 10. I'm cutting down. I'm cutting off 2 inches on this side. And I think I'm going to take out maybe 1/2 inch off of the Clara Lane on this one. Or maybe even, yeah, about 1 inch off. I don't need the whole thing. I just need an accent. When I put this on top, I'm gonna cut off right around 1 inch too. Right there on this line. I'm just marking it. Okay, so it's time to cut this. And since I marked where I want to cut, it should be easier to line it on my trimmer. And then on this one, let me see. I'm going to use this. Okay, right there, I think is good. There's a method to my madness, guys. So if you notice, I stopped at the peaks of this template. I stopped at the peaks. I'm going to cut off straight line. For straight lines, I just use my trimmer. It's easier and faster. So there you go. I will take this, and yet again, I only want this part here. So up to this part. So I'm going to go here and trace from that point to that point to the other point. Okay, that's all I want is this part here. Very thin slivers. Oh, I should have done this on the other side. It's darker. It's hard to see here. This is my duh moment, guys. Duh. Should have done it on the other side. There you go. Because I can't see the lines here. Let me see what else I need to do here. I need the feather. Okay, guys, I'm bringing this back, and I'm going to use this back here. I actually want this pattern, so I'm going to use this and trace, but this is lighter, so this is where I'm going to trace the feather. Okay, that's one. And then I also want this pattern for my feather, so I'm going to use this side here. So I'm cutting 2 feathers here, and we'll see how that works later, if I'll even need both. Okay, guys, it's time for us to cut a bit more. This layout is requiring a lot of cutting, so we're gonna cut. I was going to use this, and now I won't. I think I like that layout right there. Yeah, I think I'm liking this layout right here. Yeah, I think I like this layout. Like that, exactly like that. Okay, let's ink first before we tack all our elements down. Because these are too deep in here, I'm not gonna even bother inking the edges inside. What I'm going to do is just, this ink pad is not as juicy as it is, or as it was when I first opened it. So what I'm doing is just to give this feathers, if you will, a little bit of brown into it because it's so dark. So I'm actually inking in to the feathers. And look, because it's an older ink pad, the foam is, you know, getting all over my layout here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shake them off later. So by going in this way, it's giving it a definition. It's giving the lines some definition. I like my ink pads when they're about this point where they're almost out of juice. I can really distress my elements. It's now time to actually put down the layout. My favorite part, guys. I'm gonna lay the pictures so I know where I'm going to put the elements down beneath the pictures. So this is the element I want to make sure is exactly where I need it. So I'm going to mark it right here so I know where I'm going to lay it. And it's not going to show because I'm not going to make it show. So let me just put the big pictures on the side again. Make sure when you're putting down your elements to make sure you turn them over and see if there's any adhesive peeking through where you don't want it to peek through. It's not as centered as I want it to be. Okay, now let's put the borders down here. Because I want to be able to move this two elements, I didn't really use the glue gun. I wanted to use the wet glue so I can move it around still and not have to worry about it sticking wherever. Yep, that's it. I'm good. Yay! Here's my layout for May, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please place them down in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and click the bell button to be notified of new uploads. I try to upload every Mondays and Thursdays. The operative word is try. And so anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.